The king rock tombs belonging to the Pontus Kings, who used Amasya as the capital from 302 BC to 26 BC in the Hellenistic period, were carved into the limestone rocks extending vertically like a flat wall on the skirts of Amasya Castle. These are the monumental tombs carved into the limestone rocks on the southern skirts of Harşena Mountain in Amasya. The Kingdom of Pontus was founded by Mithridates I in 302 BC and Amasya was chosen as the capital. In the area of the Maiden's palace, there are the tombs of 5 kings, Mithridates I, Ariobarzanes, Mithridates II, Mithridates III, Farnakes I, from Mithridates I to Farnakes I, who ruled from 160 BC. In the region known as the Valley of the Kings and located on the coast of Yeşilırmak, there are 21 rock tombs in total, including the 9 rock tombs inside the Amasya Castle. There are passages carved behind the rock tombs. The tombs dominate the city. There are 2 baths built in the 15th century, during the Ottoman period, inside the ruins in the Maiden's Palace area.